Nobody's pulling this wig off, ladies. I am coming with a tried and true, anti-slip, beginner-friendly, travel-friendly, summer-ready wig by West Kiss Hair. Let's get into the details. This is the box that the hair comes in, and inside is the hair. Some 3D lashes, a wig band, you won't really need it, 2 wig caps, an edges brush. I actually use these on my eyebrows. This is the storage bag, and a bonnet to protect your natural hair. Never ever neglect your natural hair under wigs. Okay, so the wig is 22 inches long with a curly texture, undetectable HD lace, and a medium cap size. And in the spirit of old school reviews, I just had to do a length check. Individual strands don't appear to be 22 inches long across the board since it is single drawn hair, but some wig companies measure from the top of your head to the end and then like subtract 2 inches. It's kind of weird, I know. Anyway, let's remove the packing material and check out this lace. It's already plucked, parted, and cut, so you don't have to work hard. You literally just have to trim the scalloped edges. Now, you already know I have to wash the hair so you can see what you're getting yourselves into, and I'm using my very old Redken Extreme shampoo. I'm trying to reduce my product stash. It didn't clarify my natural hair the way I like, but it is creamy and is perfect for curly wigs. A little bit goes a long way, and I'm going to show you the cap construction before I wash my hair. It is a breathable stretch mesh cap with only a comb in the back, no adjustable straps back there. And most content creators who have made wigs are familiar with this Japanese swim cap inspired wig cap, but the cutouts are new and great for creating room. So I'm going to remove the adjustable elastic band before washing, and they did a good job of keeping things flat to reduce discomfort. Also, judging from the stitching, there's no way this wig is gonna fall apart. It wouldn't be a beginner-friendly wig without very obviously bleached knots, and I'm gonna flip this over so you can see it on my hand. The lace is a bit light, but it blends beautifully with very little makeup, and here you can see the scalloped hairline that I will trim down later. Okay, let's wash the hair in one direction to prevent tangles, and look at the lather. I told you, this shampoo, it's nice, just not clarifying enough for heat styling like advertised. Not for me anyway. I prefer it when I don't plan on using heat, and I'm making sure I keep my thumb on my part area. I'm gonna do this throughout the video so that I don't go looking for it later on. I'll keep washing in a downward motion until the hair is nice and clean. Even when I'm rinsing, I'm making sure I keep that part. They already did the work, so there's no need for me to complicate things by washing anyhow, and I'm gonna rinse out as much shampoo as possible before going in with the Redken Extreme conditioner. It's pretty good for my natural hair and wigs. I've never had a problem detangling with this one, and I'm going to be generous so that I can have the best detangling session ever. I'm really working it through the strands, making sure they are thoroughly saturated, maintaining the part, and doing a little finger detangling before going in with my favorite detangling brush, the Intuition Flexor Vent Brush. I think that's what it's called, and it is great for all wig textures, especially 4C wigs. You will not have massive shedding no matter what. I'm gonna link it down, link the hair down, link everything down. So I'm gonna rinse this conditioner out. If some remains, that's okay. It's super softening and I like the way it smells. But I have to dry this hair, so I'm using my swirly curly turban towel. I need to restock, but this thing, it soaks up so much water so the wig can dry quickly without dripping all over the place when I hang it up. 30 minutes later, I put the wig on a drying head, and we're gonna do some definition with my Tresemme Extra Hold Mousse and my Redken All Soft Moisturizer. Starting with the mousse, it can get crunchy, but I'm being generous. Trust the process, it's worth it, and I'm gonna apply all over, starting at the roots and working it in for lasting hold, and then going in with the All Soft to make it a flexible hold instead of a crunchy hold. Now, mousse plus styling cream or leave-ins, I've said it before, always a good idea. Whether you're doing a roller set or a wash and go, your hair is gonna feel nice and moisturized, but you're still gonna have that hold that you need. And a little shine infusion by Chi to finish things off and make the hair look polished. And I just like sheen sprays for curly hair. Sometimes oils can be a bit heavy, and this spray is gonna keep things light and shiny. It's also going to seal in the moisture before I define the curls, and I am using this Tangle Teaser. I think it's supposed to be a travel brush. It's compact, perfect for curl definition, makes things so easy, and I love it. The ends look amazing. Just look at that. This is exactly what I want. This hair, easy to work with. I'm going to cut the little lace that needs cutting. My shears, they were not working out. Make sure you use some embroidery shears, some smaller shears, something like an eyebrow shaper, you know, minimize. It's just easier to get across the lace and have a more precise cut. And I'm not cutting straight across. I'm making sure the edges look a little bit rough as I cut so the hairline isn't too obvious later on. You know, it helps a wig look natural, and take your time. You don't want to mess up your lace. Slow and steady wins the race. I'm gonna stick my blow dryer in the opening so the cap can dry. Here is my hair and the wig is ready. I am going to work, so I have to work quickly. I always wear my units with the band first, pull the wig back to the base of my skull. Don't judge my wig cap. I cut the perimeter band to release tension and it developed ladders everywhere. After that, I pull it forward and reduce my 5 head to a 4 head. Then I adjust it and make sure I don't have hair or lace tucked under. So the lace is a little bit lighter than my complexion, and I am going to use my Sephora Best Skin Ever, Best Lace Ever Glow Concealer. I don't use foundation these days, just a little bit of this on my face and my lace. I'm tapping it along my hairline, and I don't have any foundation or concealer on my forehead, just some setting powder to reduce shine. So blending is gonna be easier, and I'm gonna go up the part before using my small blending brush. This brush is really soft, so I can tap as hard as I want and really work into the lace. I need it to look as filtered as possible. I have a tiny amount of uncolored lace out here. You can see the difference. And I'm gonna go ahead and color it in as well. Ignore my fuzzy edges. You won't even see them when I'm done. So blend this out, and I'm going to adjust the wig. I'm gonna volumize it too because I need to see what I'm working with before adding a semi-adhesive. The wig, it can be worn fully glueless, but what I like to do is stiffen the lace a little bit with my Shine and Jam Right and Tight Sculpting Spritz. Basically what I'm doing is sculpting the lace with this or creating a cast. Don't do this like I did, just spray direct. Now I'm going all the way in with my pattern comb. I'm going to volumize because this hair looks amazing with the volume. You can see it right now, just getting better each time I pick it out, and I'm ready for work. Is this not the cutest summer wig? I cannot keep my hands out of it, and I just love the way it looks on me. I don't think it's too dense. What do you guys think? Let me know. And I love this one so much that I actually went on a trip with it. And you know I prefer traveling with my natural hair because nobody has time for disrespectful lace messing up beautiful pictures. I'm not editing that. And most people with hard wigs are not living the soft life anyway. Get a soft and easy wig like this one. Save yourself stress. Anyway, I am going to have the details down below, all the products used. If you have any questions, ask, but don't forget that this wig isn't going anywhere. Before I go though, this wig came off easily after work, and this is what I look like. I feel like the hair looks better after half a day. What do you guys think? It's still not going anywhere, even after breaking the cast, and look at that lace. I mean, I can see it, but barely. You can even do a half up, half down style if you don't like hair in your face. I think it's pretty, and I'm done now. So check out Westkiss Hair if you are in the market for a new wig, and take care of yourselves always.